we are cracking the code on YouTube for 2026. What worked just a few years ago is no longer effective. YouTube is undergoing massive shifts, and the creators who adapt now are the ones who will absolutely dominate and build real businesses. Before we dive in, if you want more deep dive YouTube strategy breakdowns like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you think. I'm breaking down the essential strategies you need to implement straight from YouTube's latest reports, and showing exactly how this boom creates lucrative opportunities for skilled professionals, especially video editors. Segment 1. The algorithm shift, interests win. The single biggest change you need to internalize is this: subscribers don't really matter anymore. YouTube's algorithm has shifted away from recommending videos based on who people are subscribed to. Instead, it recommends content based on what viewers are interested in. As the report states, audiences are initially drawn to creators through shared special interests and stay because those creators innovatively explore and expand those fixations. This levels the playing field completely. You can start a brand new channel today, and if you understand viewer interest, you can go viral quickly without needing any existing audience. Think about your own behavior. You go to YouTube because you want to learn something or be entertained on a specific topic. You search based off of interest, not personality. Here's how you leverage this monumental shift. 1. Pick an interest-based niche. Do not pick a niche based on what you think is going to get views. Choose one that contains a genuine problem that people want solved. Over the years, evergreen topics consistently rise to the top, including areas like making money online, health and fitness, or AI tools. When choosing, dive into a sub-niche, like focusing on longevity instead of just general health and fitness. 2. Borrow success, apply to niche. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Recreate videos that have done really well outside your specific niche, taking the concept that worked and applying it to your own area. For example, one creator focused on creatine for older people, taking a viral concept from another sub-niche, and despite having a small channel, his video took off and generated millions of views. 3. Speak your keyword. Make sure you use the keywords from your title verbally throughout your video. This gives YouTube's system extra signals about the content you've created. Segment 2. The perfect balance content strategy. YouTube has discovered that creators who succeed are crushing it in the extremes. Micro content YouTube shorts and deep content videos longer than 20 or 30 minutes. Your ideal strategy must use both in what I call the perfect balance strategy. 1. Focus on long form. If your priority is building a huge business and making more money, focus on longer form videos. These videos get higher retention and keep people on the platform longer, which is exactly what YouTube loves. You should not artificially cut your videos short. If you can provide value for 45 minutes, do it. 2. Use shorts as a funnel. If you want to benefit from the billions of views spent on shorts, create them to give a little value and then link them as a related video to your longer form content. You can even take compelling clips out of your longer videos and turn them into shorts. Optimize for TV viewing. A massive trend is that more people are watching YouTube on their TVs, treating it like Netflix. This is massive for faceless channels because you don't need charisma, you just need content people can consume passively. Channels are succeeding by creating 3 to 4 hour long historical story videos, like Uncharted Mysteries, or specialized multi-hour travel guide videos, like Top Travel. This type of content gathers enormous watch time and often has high CPMs because you can insert more ad breaks. To capitalize, ensure your content is understandable even if someone isn't actively watching the screen, prioritizing clear voiceovers and good audio quality. 4. Embrace authenticity in automation. Authenticity doesn't mean showing your face. It means being real, vulnerable, and providing genuine value, all of which can be done without you being involved. Consider creating an AI avatar to represent your channel and become the face of your brand, such as the Yellow Man, Yellow Guy channel that provides fitness tutorials. This is crucial because it helps you build real brand IP that you own, regardless of what happens to the platform. Segment 3. The creator to founder pipeline monetization. The most profitable shift is moving from being a creator to becoming a founder. Successful creators don't just make content, they create companies that require resources and money to scale. You need to monetize by selling solutions, not by relying on AdSense. If you want to build a real business on YouTube, you have to understand this shift. AdSense is the lowest rung of the monetization ladder. It's passive, unpredictable, and it pays pennies compared to what modern creators are making with high-ticket digital products. 1. Focus on educational content. Your first step is creating educational or how-to type videos. Why? Because these videos attract people who already have a specific problem they want solved. They click with intention. They're not casual viewers, they're motivated. When you solve a direct problem on YouTube, you build trust instantly. And trust is what converts viewers into buyers. 2. Use the session time hack. Once you've hooked viewers with short educational content, you want to send them to an ultra-long complete guide. Think 45 minutes, 60 minutes, even 90 minutes if you're delivering real value. These long videos massively increase your session time, which is one of the strongest signals YouTube uses to push your content. But more importantly, long videos position you as the authority in your niche. People binge your content, and when that happens, they buy from you. 3. Sell a high-ticket solution. At the end of that long guide, present a solution, a software, an online course, a digital program, a mentorship, or even a done-for-you service. And here's the thing, you don't need to be the expert. You can partner as an affiliate for existing high-ticket digital products. The entire purpose of your content is to lead people from problem awareness, solution awareness, buying the solution. Here's where the real money is made, using the concept of people versus price. If you're a beginner and want to build a real business, you should be promoting solutions priced between $2,000 and $20,000. Selling cheap products, $10 ebooks, $20 templates, forces you to chase massive volume. To make $100,000 from a $10 product, you need 10,000 customers. That's the hardest business model for small creators. But if you sell a $10,000 solution, you only need 10 customers to earn the same $100K. This is why the average channel with 100,000 monthly views makes only around $1,000 a month with AdSense. But a creator using high-ticket digital product strategy can make $20,000 per month or more with those same 100K views. This is the difference between being a content creator and becoming a founder. Segment 4. Massive opportunities for editors and strategists. This shift toward long-form content, high production value, and the perfect balance strategy is creating a huge explosion in demand for specialized creators, especially editors and strategists. 1. The demand for production investment. The YouTube automation model, where you run your channel like a media company, requires real investment. Creators now hire scriptwriters, thumbnail designers, voiceover artists, researchers, and most importantly, video editors. No one person can publish consistent long-form videos and daily short-form content alone. 2. The rise of the short-form strategist. Because long-form plus short-form is now the dominant strategy, a brand new high-paying job has emerged, the short-form strategist. This role is completely behind the scenes, no editing, no filming, no being on camera. The strategist studies long videos, finds the viral moments, and instructs editors on exactly how to cut them into shorts that explode on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. 3. The editor's new boss. Editors are no longer guessing. Strategists tell them what to cut, what to keep, where to place hooks, how to structure punchlines, and how to optimize retention. This makes editors far more valuable, and their pay goes up with the strategist's results. 4. The financial growth potential. Short-form strategists typically start around $48,000 per year, but the highest earners make up to $172,000 per year. Strategists who prove their process works get bonuses tied to views, meaning if a short goes viral, the strategist and editors also get paid. 5. AI, shadow operating synergy. This model is growing fast. Micro creators who love making content are paired with operators who build digital products in the background. The creator only focuses on making videos. Editors, strategists, and automation teams handle everything else. This creates a never-ending demand for quality editing and strategic short-form creation. As creators evolve from hobbyists to founders, the need for consistent, professional, high-output video editing teams is exploding. The editing space is entering a massive growth era, and anyone who positions themselves correctly can build a highly profitable career in this ecosystem. If this breakdown opened your eyes, do me a huge favor, hit the like button so more creators can find this video. And if you want deeper YouTube strategy, monetization frameworks, and creator to founder breakdowns just like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.